Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a TikTok video. So let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom in the right-hand side. Okay, so once you're on your profile, just select the video that you would like to delete. Here you'll notice all these buttons on the right-hand side of it, and then right at the bottom there are 3 horizontal dots that simply just tap on the 3 horizontal dots. And then what you'll see are some options at the bottom, so what you can do is scroll all the way to the right-hand side and then you'll see the delete button. So then you would simply just tap on delete. Then just tap on the delete button right here and then it will be deleted. And then it will be deleted from your profile. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you.